Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to answer the question, why can't I get past the verification process of Rebtel when using the app in Nigeria or any country? Well, if you're unable to get past Rebtel's verification process and you keep saying verification failed, this could be due to several reasons. Here are the common causes and solutions for 2025. The first is incorrect or unsupported phone number. Rebtel may not support certain Nigerian numbers, especially VoIP or virtual numbers. Solution is to try a different mobile number like MTN, Airtel, Glo, or 9 Mobile. If you're using a dual SIM phone, switch to the other SIM for verification. Now, if you try and it doesn't work out, then check the next problem, which is poor network connection. That's when you don't receive the SMS. If the verification of SMS fails to deliver, it can be due to network issues. Solution is to try on Wi-Fi plus mobile data, switch between them. Start your phone and retry again. If that doesn't still help, you can use the third problem, Rebtel server or temporal glitch. Sometimes Rebtel system may have delays, so just wait for 10 to 15 minutes and try again. You can also check Rebtel status page for outages. And the fourth problem, the first cause may be app or device compatibility issue. Other Android or iOS versions may struggle with verification. You should update your Rebtel or reinstall the app and try it on a different device if possible. The fifth is VPN or proxy interference. Rebtel may block verification if it detects a VPN. It's another cause, another reason why the verification may fail. Rebtel might have blocked the verification because it detected a VPN. So you want to turn off the VPN or proxy before verifying. Then the sixth cause can be number already used or banned. If a number was previously linked to another Rebtel account or flagged, verification might fail. So the solution is to try a new phone number or contact Rebtel support. Now, if all these solutions fail, what do you do? You can contact Rebtel support via email, in-app chat, or try the web version at rebtel.com. It's sometimes more better than the app. I tried the web version, it did not work for me, but for some people it actually works. The next thing you can do, you can use an alternative app like TalkU, Dingtone, or Google Voice if verification remains an issue. Hope I have answered your question and hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.